This is the 98 4Runner that I picked up for $3,000. The paint on the top of the car is completely burned off. Check out this problem. You open the door, and when you close the door, it doesn't close all the way. I even have to kind of slam the door just to get it to close. I checked the spacing between the lock latch and the lock mechanism. The lock latch matches up to the catch. It's not an alignment problem. It has to be the internals of the lock is getting stuck and it's not catching the way it should. Gosh, there we go. Let's open up the hood. And the hood didn't release. Here is the oil stick. Let's pull this bad boy out. Nice clean paper towel. And wow, look at that. You can tell the condition of engine by the oil. Doesn't smell, doesn't have any carbon, no piston blow by. Looks like it's recently changed, but a little on the thin side, so it's probably been sitting for a while. Let's also check the air cleaner. And at some point, I'm going to remove the map sensor. I'm going to take this intake part off. Look at this. This air cleaner is brand spanking new. The air box is dirty. Yuck. That needs to be cleaned out. But yeah, brand spanking new. Let's make sure we seat it in there really good and get it nice and tight. Make sure everything locks. There are no evap hoses. Oh wow, look at this. There's a piece of corn in there. I'm guessing that there was rats. These hoses are a little on the hard side, not terribly hard. Ooh, coolant. It's a little low, but not terrible. So put that on the list. That is not bad. Battery terminals need to be cleaned. Actually, let's open up the battery. Watch out for the acid. See, the cells are not horrible. They're not exposed. That means the battery is in decent condition. I've been charging it and it's holding the charge. So that's a good sign. Now I know for sure one thing I don't like about this thing. Right here is an immobilizer unit. It uses a key, part of this sticker here. Ooh, radio works, air conditioning works. So you gotta pull the chip out and put it in. You hear that clicking sound? It's the thing trying to work. And then from here we see, it sounds really good. No clicking, no clacking. Now there should be an ODBC down in here somewhere. Maybe there is no ODBC. Hello, are you in there? Nope. This paint job, oh my gosh, god awful paint job. It's been sitting for so long that the sun completely baked it off. Oh, and I wanted to check out these seats. The back seats aren't so bad. Nice split fold down seat. And the back of these seats aren't bad. The only problem is this one seat here, and it's a little dirty. Now, I could either fix this or I could reupholster the whole car in rubber or in vinyl or brand new seats. And this definitely either needs to be replaced or recovered. I want to put fat mat on the doors. Part of the paint jobbing is going to be these dents. I'm kind of glad that it's just here in the bumper. It doesn't look like any side panel denting. And then a little dent here, pound out. This crease here doesn't belong here, pound that out. Along the side of the car is not bad. All this trim, probably take all this off, and front bumper looks mostly good. Nothing that sticks out so bad that I want to really focus on. And then these tires, we got a hand-cooked tire here. We got a Bridgestone tire here. I also took a look at the suspension, and way down inside of there, the brakes and the suspension, they're in good shape, honestly. Now this front shock looks like it could be leaky, but when I drove it, it's not bad. And these bushings here, yeah, that's not good. I don't know if it's just packed that way, so I'll clean it up and unpack it and re-grease it. I'm looking here, and there's a little bit of body rust. I mean, not a bad amount of body rust, but it's just surface rust that should probably be just cleaned up. Oh, here's something. Yeah, this is 2021, and sticker says 2017. I had to pay $1,100 in late fees and registration. The sunroof doesn't leak. The motor for the antenna doesn't raise and lower. It has 178,000 miles on it. Ooh, look at that fancy spoiler. So fancy.